This video is an overview of In Control Erin from the 2020 Integrity Legendary Convention. She's part of the NuFace line, and we'll go over her outfit and accessories. I'll also compare her to In Rouge Erin's face and body later in the video. I freed Erin from her box, so here's look number 1. She's wearing a silver metallic jacket with a black and white fur arm cuffs and a wraparound collar. Hooks and a belt keep the jacket closed. It also has tiny pockets, and I love how fluffy it is. The fur can shed when you remove her hands, so be gentle. Underneath her jacket, she has a shimmery, ruched black shirt that has some stretch to it. A black collar is attached. Be careful with this top, as it can shred at the edges. I thought the skirt was silver in the promo photos, but it's actually more of an icy blue color in real life. Her miniskirt has a back zipper. Erin's black and silver handbag is amazing. The top opens easily and it has a magnet. It is heavier than most purses, but that doesn't make her arm fall down, unless the doll already has loose arms. Look at her gorgeous diamond earrings. A diamond bow ring is included. Both are set in silver. I love the style of the ruby red shoes. It has a fancy look. It has a strap, but you can slip them on whether she's wearing hose or not. I get frustrated with shoes a lot and tend to sell them, but this one's a keeper. She has a shiny black hat with a brim. I personally would only put a hat on a doll if she had straight hair. The pins are used to keep the hat on the head. Hopefully hat people love it. She comes with 2 sets of hands. She has a long fingernail set. She also has grasping and pointing hands. The pointing hands work great for handbags. My favorite accessories are the purse and the red shoes. Both are beautiful items. In Control Erin has smoky eye makeup with a Japan skin tone. Her wavy hair is a rich auburn color. She has painted lines on her eyebrows. In Rouge, on the other hand, has brighter eyes, longer hair, and smooth one-color eyebrows. She has a bottom lash painted that In Control Erin doesn't have. Here's a close-up of their faces in a split screen. It looks a little weird, but it might be easier to see the differences, like the eyelashes and the skin tone close-up. Let's compare their bodies. They're close in color, but In Rouge Erin's is slightly pinker. In Rouge is wearing In Control Erin's hands, so you can see the difference is slight. In Rouge, Erin has a waist joint. Thanks for watching the overview. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can follow Daintyville on social media. The links are in the description. Thanks, bye.